This is the installation of the internal assembly. You'll need the spanner wrench for the ball ring. You'll need some Castrol LMX grease for the bearings and some Castrol CLS 00 for the ratchet ring inside the hub where the pawls engage. Apply some grease to the ratchet ring. And thread in the internal assembly. Use the ball ring spanner to tighten it. And a little bit of bearing grease on the bearings. And then thread in the cone. And tighten it finger tight. The final adjustment will be done when you install the brake plate assembly. And then you're done.